So this is a little tutorial on the crazy legs. And we do the backward wheels right before it, and they end with ball, ball. So we end up on the balls of our feet like this, and you're equally balanced. And then, I know Emily said she's taught you to put this foot a little bit in front, but either way you have it, you're gonna go the right in front first, and it goes cross, out, cross, out, cross, out, side. Okay, so we've got, and what's happening is your heels are giving the percussive sound, so it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And that's going to take us into a rocking chair. So our feet are just sliding, we're not lifting our feet during that whole process. My toes are on the ground. I'm going down, out, down, out, down, out, lift. Okay, so there's a bit of silence in there. And if I take it from the 1, 2, 3, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then I can go feel. So again, we're going to go, we'll do our 1, 2, 3, ball, 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 7, and go, and ball, 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 heels out, heels out, heels out, slide. And when I say out, your heels are going out, okay? One more time. From the ball, ball, ball. 7 and go, and ball, ball, ball. 1, 2,